Rome's secret water network, engineering genius. Imagine a city with millions of people, yet no taps or faucets. The answer lies in their incredible aqueduct system, an engineering marvel so advanced it's still influencing us today. But here's the secret. It wasn't just about water, it was about power. Let's rewind to ancient Rome. By 312 BCE, the city was booming, but its water supply couldn't keep up. That's when they built the first aqueduct, the Aqua Appia. Over the next 500 years, they constructed 11 aqueducts, bringing in over 300 million gallons of water daily, enough to fill 450 Olympic swimming pools. Fun fact, Roman aqueducts weren't just pipelines. They were designed with slight gradients, just a few inches per mile, using nothing but hand tools and geometry. If the slope was too steep, the water would rush and break the structure. Too shallow, and it wouldn't flow. Talk about precision. But here's where it gets fascinating. The aqueducts didn't just supply water for drinking. They powered public baths, fountains, latrines, and even gardens. Wealthy Romans flaunted their status by building private pipelines straight to their villas. Imagine flexing with a personal water supply in ancient times. Now, you might think aqueducts were all above ground, but 95% of them ran underground to protect the water from contamination or enemy sabotage. The famous stone arches we see today were just the visible part of a much larger network. And how about maintenance? Roman engineers invented something called the calculus remover, a tool to scrape away mineral deposits, essentially ancient plumbing. Here's another wild fact. The water was so abundant that even waste was flushed into sewers like the Cloaca Maxima, one of the world's earliest drainage systems, which still functions in parts of Rome today. But the aqueducts weren't just about clean water, they were about control. The ability to manage water flow meant Rome could support a growing population, boost hygiene, and maintain its empire's dominance. Water was the lifeblood of Roman society, and a symbol of its might. So, the next time you turn on a faucet, remember the Romans. Their aqueducts weren't just an engineering feat. They were a statement of power, precision, and ingenuity. What's your favorite ancient invention? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to The Social Lens for more fascinating stories blending geography, history, and culture.